Hi, we're going to look at solving equations using properties of logs. Now, on the left side of the problem, we have log base 6, which is great in expanded form. We can then condense these in simplified form or condensed form. But off to the right, we have this plain old 2. There's no log, which complicates things, but it's not too bad because we're just going to have to go back to the rules or the original properties of logs. So let's start with putting this problem together. Since they're both log 6, I'm going to say log base 6. Addition means multiplication, so I'm going to say x times that group of x plus 5 equals 2. Multiply these two things together, x squared plus 5x. Now all of this is that log base 6. Okay, so when we have this base 6, remember, we can move this over here and then rewrite our problem as x squared plus 5x equals 6 to that exponent of 2. So we're going to take this 6 and kind of bring it over and kind of push that 2 up into the air. 6 squared gives us 36, and then we want to move that 36. Let's move it to the left side using inverse operations. Minus, goodbye, x squared plus 5x minus 36 equals 0. Okay, we have a quadratic equal to 0. We now need to solve. That's not right. 36. We now need to solve for x. So what happens is I could either graph, I could factor, I could quadratic formula, or I could complete the square. Here, I'm going to factor. I think it's going to be the quickest form to get us done. So what two numbers multiplied together give us x squared, x and x? What two numbers multiplied together give us 36, but add or subtract to give us 5? Here's where we got to do a little bit of work. We could say 1 and 36, 2 and 18, we could say 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 5 no, 6 and 6. Here's all of your options. Can I combine any of them to get a 5? 4 and 9 is my answer. I need to get a positive 5, so I'm going to say positive 9 minus 4, and then when I multiply, I get the negative. Great. Okay, let's solve both. So we have x minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 9 equal to 0. Add 4, x equals 4, good. Minus 9, x equals negative 9. Okay, we have our two answers. Now we have to go back and we got to check this stuff to make sure that they work, because we're dealing with an equal sign, we're dealing with logs, we should always check our work. So if I take 4 and I plug it back in, can I take log base 6 of a positive 4? Yes. If I take that 4 and I plug it right there, what's 4 plus 5? 9. I can have a positive 9 in there. We're allowed. This right here is an answer. Negative 9, however, if I plug it in here, log base 6 of a negative 9, I'm not allowed to take the log of a negative 9. Second I have a negative number in there, it messes things up. Even though we did all of our work correctly, this answer does not fit. Again, that's called an extraneous solution. So we only have one answer here, x equals 4. This time we did all correct work, just doesn't work for us. So that was solving equations using properties of logs.